In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Alipay app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So I have here my Alipay and I'd like to go ahead and stop those pop-up notifications permanently. Now to do that, it is quite simple. The first thing you need to do is to access the Alipay app information page. For that, just go to settings and then scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, look for this option called manage apps, or it might be written all apps or more apps. Go ahead and tap on it. So this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from here, go ahead and look for your app, and here we have our app. Now you can see we are on the app information page. Now if you get into this page, it is quite hard for you. Let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. Now for the shortcut method, just go to your app, and then instead of tapping on it, just long press on it, and you'll see this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will again take you to the same page. From this, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. Currently, it is turned to yes, and that's why we have all these notifications turned on. Now, instead of turning off one by one like this, just go ahead and look for this option called show notifications. Currently, it is toggled on. Go ahead and toggle off, and it will switch off all the other types of notifications. From here, you will never again see those pop-up notifications on your Alipay app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.